it's the mobile home mama, and I found this little cutie. I was combing the lot to see what I could find and bring to you guys. I haven't been on here for, it feels like forever. Got a little 14 by 52. We call this home the Maynard. 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Let's see what we've got under here. You know that if the starter strip is raised, this home is going to have some skirting. We've got an OSB wrap underneath there. You can see the wood right there. And then going down the side of the home, we've got pearl on the outside and a black roof. It looks like they didn't bother putting on any shutters or anything, and that's okay. And while I got you on the line, let's talk about this. September 19th, we're having our annual open house, and boy, do we have some good stuff going on. You're going to see once a year deals that will knock your socks off. We're also doing some free giveaways, and Brittany and the new administrative assistant, Reagan, they're going to be grilling out on the grill. So if you need a hotel, please give me a call. I am a real person, 260-383-1009. This is a 14 by 52. I think I already said that, and it is front loaded, folks. So if you're looking for a little home to put on the lake or something where maybe you wanted to add a porch to the end, this would be the home. Anytime you have a home that has a living room or a kitchen in the front of the home, you can always add a porch, because of course you don't want to walk out from a porch into a bedroom. I mean, you could. I've seen it before. You guys have seen it on my videos where you want a private little porch off your bedroom. That's okay too. But in most cases, people go with front loaded so they can add a porch. Nice thing about the Maynard is you're gonna have this corner sink, and people love this corner sink. You still have a window to be able to look out as you're doing your dishes, but it just gives it some character, I guess. Gets away from the standard L-shaped kitchen and gives you just something a little bit different here. We've got a laminate backsplash, and for that, it's cheap. Under 200 bucks does the whole house, and it's gonna protect your walls from any kind of water. Harbor light on the floor. Standard urban oak wrapped on the cabinets. That means we've got a pressed wood with a vinyl backing. The best part is it comes in the price of the home, so no additional upgrade there, but it is available in a hardwood if you wanted to. That's up to you. And this kitchen looks pretty basic. Stove, refrigerator. They did add a dishwasher. You do have the ability to add a microwave over the range if you wanted to, but totally up to you. We're not gonna make you do anything you don't wanna do. 30 by 36 window in the dining area here. And then these windows you can enlarge. You can always add windows, enlarge windows, move them around. Let's say you wanted to create an entertainment wall. You could easily move this window over here. No problem, as long as we have enough light and vent in the house to fulfill the build schedule, the HUD building code, then everything is fine. As long as we are sticking to the rules, then we don't raise too much fuss. Now, as far as customizations goes, let's talk about that a little bit. We run a production line, right? So we like to produce these homes in a timely manner, and anytime we have to stop and veer away from a standard floor plan, it cuts into our production time. So here's some things. We usually have a floor plan for you, whatever you're looking for. Here's the laundry area. So we will not move plumbing, we will not move electric, and we don't really like to move walls too much. We have enough options in our options sheet that we can make whatever you're trying to do happen. Here we go into the bathroom, and the best part about the Maynard, by the way, we do this in many different sizes, is this extended vanity. Very unusual in a home this size. Usually you're gonna have just the one-sided vanity with no drawers, but in here you've got a bank of drawers as well. And if I step back, you can see it has its own little nook and cranny. So while your significant other is showering, you can still be in here doing your thing. Hi. And feel like you guys are in your own spaces. We've got a walk-in shower here. This is new for us. The old one had seats. We took the seats out because a lot of people who were handicapped were complaining that they couldn't fit their seats in there. So we want to make everybody happy. So we just took them out. That way, if you need a seat, you can put your own seat in there. And I want you guys to recognize that if you put a window in here, it would really lighten things up. Now, luckily for us, it's a nice bright day so that I could get in here and do a video. Just be thinking about that. And make sure you find a housing consultant who listens to your needs and helps you design the home. And by the way, I'm one of those. So if you're looking for one, I might know a girl. All right, here we are in the primary bedroom. And we've got a walk-through closet. Now let's talk about this. We've got regular heating. This is called inline sectional heating. So the ductwork is aluminum and it's going right down the middle underneath the floor. What we do is also perimeter heating if you want to move those registers out to the wall. Why would you do that? One, it's more energy efficient, and two, you don't get stuck with a register under your bed. Let me just slow down here. Don't want to make you guys too dizzy. And I noticed I was walking in a little bit of a circle there. So anyways, enough of me talking. This is Casper Cashmere on the wall. Let's do one more walkthrough. This is a 14 by 52 Maynard. We're having a huge open house September the 19th where you're going to get some amazing deals. And when I say that, I mean that. And then also we're going to do some giveaways, and Brittany will make you a hot dog, grill you a hot dog too. So hope to see you guys there. If you like what you see on my channel, I really would appreciate it if you like and subscribe. I do these videos for you guys so you can see the latest and greatest in options. And also I try to explain the features so that no matter where you are, where you're building, you can ask your consultant to build the right way for you. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.